You can customize your Amazon Fire TV's home screen by rearranging or moving the apps and games on the home screen, and also adding the installed apps on the home screen's app row for easy access. So let me show you how. Here's our Amazon Fire TV's home screen, and here's the app row. Now to rearrange or move an app, you can highlight any app on the home screen, then press the option or menu button and select Move. This will open your apps and channels, and the top row you see are the apps that's shown in the home screen. So in case you want to add an app that you have installed to the home screen, you will just need to select it, so you can move the apps in the home row to the front or to the back according to your preference. After you're done, press select and it will exit the edit mode. Now if you want to add an app to the home screen, you will have to do it from here. Just find the app that you want to add to the home screen, long press on the select button or press the option button, then select move, and now just move it to the top row. Now if we go back to the home screen, you can see the app is now added. So that's how you can move apps or add more apps to your home screen's app row. Let us know if you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more.